Los Angeles has topped the American Lung Association's 2007 Bad Air List as the most polluted metropolitan area in the nation. Inland air pollution, from downtown LA to Riverside County, is primarily caused by vehicle emissions.
The magnitude of the numbers of cars and trucks that we have give them the crown as the biggest polluters in mass in our LA area.
But a significant chunk of air pollution in the LA basin, about 25%, comes from the region's ports, and cargo freights in particular.
There's the ships, and they're burning fairly crude fuel, and so when they come into port and sit there for 3 days as they unload their cargo, they're belching smoke into the air.
Now, two environmental groups have given the Port of Long Beach an ultimatum. Either reduce the amount of air pollution from port-related activities, or face a federal lawsuit for putting hazardous waste into the air. Contaminated port air affects the whole basin area because coastal winds push the pollution eastward.
At the Port of Long Beach, freight haulers alone emit thousands of tons of microscopic diesel particles into the air every year.
Polluted air from local ports blanket the entire region because surrounding mountains hold it in place.
Worsening the air quality around ports are the big rigs and locomotives that are used to transport cargo to their destinations.
As the air stagnates, it has more time to photochemically react to heat and sunlight, a process that depletes ozone and creates smog. And bad air in LA is certainly noticeable, both in smell.
When I'm walking down the street, I can actually smell like the difference between some areas, like the buses when they release their smog out of their pipes. You can smell that.
And in sight.
I've had actually two experiences this weekend when I noticed it. Once, the first time was at Griffith Park at the observatory, where I could really see the air quality. It's really hard to see the skyline even though it's a clear day. And the second time was downtown, when between buildings you would see sunlight coming through, and I felt like I could actually see the sunlight reflecting off the particles of pollution within the air.
The most common side effect of breathing polluted air, in both children and adults, is increased respiratory problems and decreased lung function. If you would like daily updates on the levels of air pollutants in your area, visit www.airnow.gov. This is Marie Cunningham reporting.